Is your hair curly, natural, bleached, or damaged? Hot oil treatment will help you get your hair back to perfect condition. On today's video, I'll be taking you through a guided tutorial on how to do a hot oil treatment. Before we begin, I know you checked first if one is supposed to do a hot oil treatment before or after washing their hair. Both are allowed, but preferably best when you do it on clean hair. This allows the oil to deeply penetrate the hair cuticle. However, when your hair is dirty, the follicles are blocked by either sweat or product buildup, allowing the oil to build on top of your hair. Before we begin, make sure you warm your water in a cooking pot, then add adequate amount of oil into a bowl. When the water is ready, balance the bowl into the already boiled water and stir the oil 2 to 3 minutes until it's warm. Step 2. Separate your hair into 2 or 4 sections. Then, as we move on, add oil to your hair. Start from the roots to the tips. Massage the oil gently into your scalp and hair strands. Repeat this process on the other sections. Then, make sure you cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag for at least 30 minutes. This allows the hair to absorb oil, thus promoting hydration and repair. After the hot oil treatment, use a cleansing shampoo, then follow up with a conditioner. It makes your hair stronger. 2. It repairs damaged hair. 3. It leads to fewer split ends. 4. It moisturizes dry hair and dry scalp. And lastly, it reduces frizz and flyaways. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one, but before I leave, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe and share.